It's been a while since our last SINE update video, and I would like to give you some insight why sometimes an update comes within a few weeks and sometimes it takes 2 months. And it's just because we have different developers working on their own projects, and at the end you really have to bring everything together into one thing, and we have to do extensive testing. And sometimes feature fix brings up a new bug, and you could imagine it's a long way to go. But with this update, we fixed a lot of stuff. We introduced a lot of new features, and therefore it's a long list. And now we will dive into it. What's new? Let's talk first about the features. We changed the loading procedure. You will probably recognize if you load the first patch that a new loading bar will appear, and also the non-loaded articulations will be grayed out. But we also changed the loading in general under the hood. And the good thing about how it works with the SINE Player is that you are able to play an articulation even if it's in loading process. Of course, it takes more performance, and therefore the handling of CPU overload has been greatly improved. Beside that, the SINE Player will now rescale correctly on smaller screens. We introduce a new feature that we really worked a lot of time for, and this is the possibility that you can switch articulations, but between those two articulations you can have legato transitions played. And this is something that enables a lot of applications. First is that if you have a melody and you would like to finish this melody with a very natural phrasing, then you can just finish this with a portato or a marcato ending, which has a natural recorded ending instead of having just release samples. Let's talk about UI improvements. When you load instruments that offer multiple legato patches, then the first such articulation will be loaded on default. Also, we fixed a few scrolling issues and improved the UI in general. And beside that, when SINE asks you for a download location, it now shows the names of your drives. When it comes to reliability improvements, first we greatly improved the loading of projects. Maybe you had this problem as well, that when you had the SINE Player open as a standalone and at the same time you tried to open up a sequencer project, that some of your SINE instances were loading empty. This one is now fixed. And beside that, we fixed a lot of crashes within the SINE Player over the past weeks and months. In general, the SINE update brings a lot of stability improvements, and if you take a look at a changelog on how many things changed, then you could imagine how much work went into this. The SINE Player is our most ambitious project, and we increased the developer team over the past months and weeks here at Orchestral Tools, and we even agreed on putting even more budget onto development, because the reason why we do all this is to go the next step in sampling tech. Thank you very much for watching this episode and enjoy the new update. You can get it for free at getsine.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.